Thank you. If you want the recording too. Okay.
Recording in progress.
Okay, class. Then you are going to see that there are some searches who are not stylo, but they integrated the keyword so that they are coming on the top searches like this. Stylo dot shops choose stylo. This is the meta description which I'm going was to tell you what is the title tag and the meta description. Let me revise. The title tag is the tag which is showing over here. Shop. This is the title tag. This portion. Okay. If you can see, this portion is the title tag, and this is the meta description. Meta description of the specific website, or you can say the specific article or specific product. Okay. After that, there are different types of websites. There can be informative websites. In this example, this is the meta description. You can see this is the meta description. This is the meta description. You are going to write the meta description separately and mark it as meta description on your website, or on the other way around, the Google will make the meta description from top of your, it means yeah, first to second or third line of your article will be used as meta description, but it is a good practice to use the meta description. So what is keyword? Keywords are the words that will help you to reach targeted clients or the reach targeted SEO goals. You can say that. What is SERP? SERP is search engine result page. What is search engine result page? Search engine, there are different type of search engine. The basically people use is Google search engine. There are others like I have Opera search engine, which because I have different kind of works, so I use Google Form. You can say some businesses and some work I do on Opera because Opera has something integrated like this window, like Facebook and WhatsApp and Instagram. So I do not have open them separately. And there is also some of other, if I want to listen music, they are also giving a tab which I can customize it at some extent. And also there are the features I like about Opera, but people are mostly good for go for Google, and Google is good as compared to search. Stand for search engine result page. So what is search engine result page? What is search engine? Search engine is like this. Google is a search engine. Search engine where you search something. You put something and you search about it. There are other search engine too, like Microsoft Edge. This is another search engine. Okay, you are going to search on Microsoft Edge. This is a search engine from Microsoft, and there is another search engine which is Explorer, the Internet Explorer, which is the old search engine of ours. The internet, the future of Internet Explorer is Microsoft Edge. Just they are saying that they are heading to, we can say their next level is Microsoft Edge. Okay, let me close all these windows, and now we are on the Google. So what are search engines? Search engines are the places where you, or the softwares, or you can say the tools we use for searching. And what is the search engine result page? When you search something, the first page or the page appears like this is the page, is the search engine result page. Indexing. Indexing is how Google will treat, or how search engine will treat your article. The search engine algorithms, how they all the algorithms will work. We are going to study the algorithm of Google, but for now indexing is something like when you wrote the article, Google will make the sections of how Google will see it. They will make the top searches of the specific keywords of the you can say of the websites in which they are most of them. Like if you use search and you add the keyword 5 to 6 times in an article, and there is another article of the same product and he is using the keyword 30 to 40 times, so there is the chance that the other article will come on the top page and your will not, because Google will treat. But this is only the one single factor. There are a lot of factors Google will study when ranking the website's anchor text. Some of the time you see this is an anchor text. This is an anchor text. What is an anchor text in simple terms? Anchor text is something when you click the text, there is another website that is gonna open. Like if you search about something, let's see if they have the anchor text or not. Guys, give me a second. Okay, so what are the anchor tags? So here is the example of the anchor tag. You see this text there, which is an anchor tag, and when you click the anchor tag, it is going to open on another website. So if you use the anchor tags, if you are linking top other websites on your website, it means that your website is more credible and there are more chances that they are going to appear on the Google. The other is links to the other website. This is another type of, if you just add the link, if there is an article like there, and after that you just add a link after the paragraph and there is a link to the next website, the chances will increase of ranking. Headings, if you use the heading, we already studied about the heading, like this is the, you can say this is the title tag, and here you are going to say the first heading, some of the ads, photos, second heading, photo, second heading, anchor tag, a single paragraph, a photo of the website. So now you can also take inspiration of what you created and what you should be created, like there. When you just, some of you, I'm not gonna name it, you are using the photographs. You are not using the photograph with a good, you can say, size. You're not using the relevant photographs. Like this is this is showing something about extreme website, and they are actually, this is a screenshot of the extreme website. If this is the screenshot of this a Pulsy website, so what they are giving you the right relevant, the most relevant photo. And you guys just go to this and search about like Illustrator, and some of you just go down here and edit the photo of this. The first photo appeared on the illustrator. Okay, for the search, you can say that this is again changing. The photos are the anchor tags, the links, the headings, the you can say how you are going to represent the article is can be a game changer. Traffic. What is traffic? Traffic is how many people are reaching your website. They are good, they are relevant traffic or irrelevant traffic. This is a different perspective. Traffic is how many people will reach the website. After that, you are saying that I am getting the traffic on my website, but I'm not getting the clicks. So we are also going to study in the next lecture Google Analytics, WordPress, Yoast plugin, and Google click-through rates, and how Google Analytics, Ahrefs, some of the tools. There are some tools, how they work, and how you will, how will you know that you are getting the traffic but not the clicks? That people, people are reaching your website, but they are not actually clicking it. So there are tools which will show you that today you have 1000 people who clicked on your website and 23 people buy this product. Why? If 1000 people click my website, then I am getting a good traffic, but I am not getting the clicks. I am not getting the payout which I should need. I'm not getting, you can say, I am not getting the actual thing I need. They are not, you can say they are not answering to call to action. They are not buying the product, or they are not conversion. What is conversion, Javeria? Unmute yourself and kindly tell about it, what you want to ask.
Like, ma'am, we are not getting conversion on, we are paying out and we are getting clicks, but we are not getting conversion on it.
Conversions mean that you are not getting, people are not buying actually.
Yes. Like
So this
ROI,
is
we do it in Amazon, so we ask it ROI, like return on investment.
so there are different terms on every platform you study, but this is the problem when you are, in my opinion, I am not expert in Amazon, but I am good in Google. So I can say that when you get the traffic, if you are getting the traffic can be from two means, or inorganic mean or the organic mean. If you getting the traffic from the organic mean, it means that your SEO is good, but there is a problem, can be in your product, can be in your, there are less, you can say, reviews, there are can be not attractive photos, there can be not attractive page, or there can be less information, or there are not, in fact some of the stores are making 60% off. The actual product is of $300. They put it like $1,000, put a cut on it, 60% off $3,000. So they are actually targeting the customer mentally. They are targeting the mental behavior of human, that if a human see, oh, there is 60% off, and they are going to buy it instead of $300. This is like a tag of off or tag of sale, or good photos, attractive photos, or something like reviews or a video. If you are on Amazon or something like that, you can include videos, reviews, improve your website. If you are getting the organic traffic, it means that your SEO is fine. You are ranking on the Google. But when people are coming to your website and then not getting, not buying it, it means that you are not getting what you want. if you want to buy, people, not come and just watch and leave. It means I am going to click your website, I am going to see the product, and then I am rejecting the product. So there is some fault or lacking on the how the product is looking, how the product is. You can see that on Amazon and Raz, and there are plenty of platforms like that. There can be, like, you can say, uh, 10, almost 10 products of the same product, right, Javeria? Some of them are top. You can also compare your product or your page with the other ones, so that you will get a better idea why you are getting the traffic but not the, you can say, buyers. So what is PPC, pay per click? Pay per click is what search engine will pay you. When I go to this and I search about this, okay, and this website opens. On every click on this website, Google is paying me. If I own this website, on every click, Google is paying me. But the pay rate may be differ for me if I am a new new in the market, and for a person who is already a giant in the market, maybe for high stock photos. If I am giving, today I start a business of sharing photos, maybe I will get $0.001 on every click. And iStock Photos doing, who is the giant of the market, is getting 0.1 or $1 on every click. So we are in the next lectures. I already said that we are going to study SEO a month, a whole month, and maybe more than that, because SEO is actually a high paid skill, and we are going to ace it. We are going to practice it on WordPress, and on how I will show you how to do the SEOs of the website, so that you can also, if you practice and practice and practice, then after some time you can also be an SEO expert if you get interested into that. Okay. Why SEO is mainly focused on Google? Because for 80% of the people, search engine is only Google. 80% of the people only know Google. When they have to, when people ask you search something, they are going to search on Google. Like, if you, how many of you use Samsung phones? Or you can just Android phones, not the iPhone. Okay. Everyone else? Android. There is two types of software which is in the market, Android and the Samsung. So if you are an Android user, you are getting already installed Google products. You will get Google Gmail, Google search engines. In fact, there are specified search engine Chrome, and you are going also, you have Google, you have Gmail, you have YouTube, Drive, Maps, Photos, even Gboard. Even if you install more, you can use Google Classroom, which we use. So because 80 to 90% of the people are just know Google, because when Google is the giant of the market, like, very less people will know that there is another browser called Opera, there is another browser called Mozilla Firefox, but they are the browsers too. They are like the Google too. But why SEO is mainly focused on Google? Because most people in the world use Google for as a search engine. So Majority is the authority, guys. What Google actually want. So Google actually want, you can say, if you ask Google what Google actually want, they are it will there is a reply that Google want to deliver very right, accurate information to the customer or to the user, or best experience. Google want to give best experience to their customers. But what I uh, think that Google want two things: best experience and the best revenue. Google is why Google is earning billions, because the motto is very good, but they are also keeping the revenue in mind. So this is the best first thing of marketing, that you give what customer wants and you take what you want to. You give 100% of what customer want and you will take 100% of what you want. And the customer will not know that you are taking the 100%. Google is on the 80% of the search engine. And he is saying politely that we want to give a good experience to our users. So they are